Hey, what's up guys? This is Chokenator, and this is a really quick tutorial on undo stacks and how to increase them. Basically meaning how many times can you press undo while working in Krita before you can stop pressing undo anymore. And by default, it's set to 30. So if I just draw 30 lines here, or at least 30 lines, uh, I think that should be enough. And I hit Control Z a bunch of times, and I even hold the button down. You can see it only undoes that much. As you can see, I'm continuing to hit Control Z for undo, and it's not erasing any more lines. So what you can do is go into Settings, Configure Krita, and make sure you're in General here, and then Miscellaneous, and you can see it right here. Undo stack size. This is what Krita has it by default at 30. So if I go to 100, then it will start recording from there. Notice I cannot undo past the 30 that Krita has already remembered, but if I draw like a bunch of lines now that it's at 100, and I draw, I don't know, I'm just going to do a ton just to show you guys. This is definitely more than 30, maybe even about 50 or 60. If I just hit undo and hold down the button, Control Z, it's going to get rid of all of them. And even back to here where I changed the setting. So that's pretty much how to do it, guys. That might help you. You know, it's always good to work backward, and you might need to undo a bunch of times to save some work. All right, so hope you guys enjoyed that and hope it helped. I'll see you guys in another tutorial. Bye bye.